Recently, a subscriber said, my Cub Cadet 3X can throw farther than your Ariens Professional 32 even with an impeller kit on. Challenge accepted. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB. Here's the test. I'm going to run each of these snowblowers one pass down the driveway. One shot, that's all they get. Then I'm going to measure how far each of these snowblowers threw. I'll get into the details of each snowblower in a moment. Time to hammer this with science, not speculation. First attempt was with the Cub Cadet 3X 30HD. So here's our initial bullet holes into the snow, and you can see they're only about maybe 15 feet away from that first path. Then when I hit that heavy bank right there, it sent it to here. Here was the farthest line. At this farthest line, we're at 27 feet. So let's see if the Ariens Pro can cross anything over this line at 27 feet. The second attempt was with the Ariens Professional 32 with an impeller kit installed. So check this out, we just shot it from there. Here is our line, which is right there, and we threw all the way to here. Farthest bullet hole is right there. That's pretty far. Okay, so that's our new line. Let's get a measurement. All right, so we are at about 43 feet. I guess we know who the winner is now. The Cub Cadet 3X, 27 feet. The Ariens Professional 32, 43 feet. The Ariens Professional 32 takes a commanding lead here, launching snow about 1/3 further than that Cub Cadet. And to help this video take a commanding lead with the YouTube algorithm, would you mind hitting that like button? Thank you. Now let's break each of these snowblowers down. First, both of these snowblowers have a 420cc engine up on top, dead on tie with plenty of power to eat through taller snowbanks. And both are in optimal running condition, as I recently cleaned the carburetor on the Cub Cadet 3X. I'll have that video linked down below in the description. The Cub Cadet 3X is 30 inches wide, while the Ariens Professional is 32 inches wide. Now the argument could be made that the Ariens Professional 32 is a few inches wider and can haul in more snow. But the comment specifically did not state the size of the owner's 3X. For him, it was my 3X versus your Professional 32. Take that however you will. The Cub Cadet 3X at its widest point of the bucket is approximately 13.5 inches deep. The Ariens Professional 32 at its widest point is almost 17 inches deep. Much deeper. And we have 12-inch augers on the Cub Cadet 3X versus 16-inch augers on the Ariens Pro. It's kind of like a chicken wing versus a turkey leg. You're getting a lot more meat on the bone. The chutes. Oh shoot! The chutes are actually identical in length at approximately 29 inches. And taller chutes like this can give you more arc to throw that snow a little bit further. As we work our way back, the Cub Cadet 3X 30HD has a 12-inch impeller housing. With a 30-inch auger housing and a 12-inch impeller, that's roughly a 40% auger to impeller ratio. In my experience, a snowblower with a higher percentage will usually throw better. The Ariens Professional 32 isn't much bigger with a 14-inch impeller housing, cranking out roughly a 44% auger to impeller ratio, but it has a secret weapon, SHO. Or super high output impeller. The impeller spins faster as a result of modified belts and pulleys, allowing you to clear snow faster and throw farther. Not to mention, this unit also has a dual belt pulley system. The Cub Cadet only has one. Both sets of belts were checked prior to the first test, set where they should be, and are in great shape. Now, I did install an impeller kit on this Ariens Professional 32 about a year ago, and I'll have that video linked down below in the description. And as of the testing of that time, it added about 11 extra feet of throwing distance. Again, the comment stated it was a stock 3X versus my modified Ariens Professional 32. Now, I was on the hunt for one of these Cub Cadet 3X snowblowers for a while to truly see which snowblower would come out on top. And what I came to find after owning this snowblower is that many subscribers who own these are very loud about their experiences with them. Now, I don't mean that in a bad way, but they're either really in love with these snowblowers or they really, really despise them for several reasons, which I'll probably get into in another video soon. As of the filming of this video, this Cub Cadet 3X 30 HD retails for about $2,100. And this Ariens Professional 32 is roughly $1,000 more. A bit pricey, but after some testing, I also found this out. This Ariens Deluxe 24, which costs about $600 less and has about 1/3 less the power compared to the 3X over here, was able to launch the snow 33 feet. I'll have that video linked down below, and while you're down there, be sure to check out my full snowblower rust proofing course to help make your snowblower last a lifetime. For more cool garage gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.